Hello everyone, today we'd like to introduce you to the Ergo Split. It is a split left and right keyboard, wireless. Why did we design the Ergo Split? Basically, traditional keyboards have us typing in a non-natural manner. So basically when we type like this on straight keyboards, our wrists are bent. And over time, if you type a lot, maybe 3 or 4 hours a day, you can get wrist cramps. So our Ergo Split allows for relaxed ergonomics. You can also tilt or slant the gimbal to whichever angle you like. There's a thumb cluster as well. You can customize the firmware using QMK software, and then this also supports multi-configuration. This also supports hot swappable switches, and these are RGB lit keys. So in this review, we're just going to power on this prototype unit and show you how to assemble it. Okay, so the Ergo Split is powered by a USB cable. So let's show you the ports. So here's the PCB, and then the power is here. Type C. Okay, this turns on the left side. And then to connect to the right side, we'll need another Type C cable. Okay, and there we are. So the RGB lights will be programmable as well. So you can see here that you can adjust the angle so it's more natural. So ideally there will not be any bend in the wrist like this. You can see it straight. Ergo Split. Okay, and so we still have not, we don't have any reviews of the Ergo Split on YouTube yet, but we will shortly. And there are some other Ergo Split or similar models on the market, but ours will have, again, RGB light. It'll be fully wireless as well. So you can ask any questions that you like regarding the Ergo Split keyboard in our comments section. And to close out this review, we'll just actually disassemble the unit so you can see some of the other cool things about this unit. Okay, so to disassemble this, you can just unscrew it, and this is basically like a camera gimbal. So we will have a set model that we ship with the units, but you can also DIY this gimbal to one that fits your satisfaction as well. So this is totally removable. So actually you don't even have to have the gimbal if you don't want it. Okay. And then we'll also have cool pouch, like a neoprene pouch for each side, left side and right side. Pretty much the same thing, and you can again attach it, screw it on, screw your own gimbal on if you want. So we'll have left side and right side, and then we'll also have a carry case. This will fit into a carry case here. Okay, so thanks for watching. You can ask any questions that you'd like into the comments section, and thanks for supporting us.